In this episode of Sailing Doodles, Laura invents a new sport called Dinghy river surfing. We have fun at a pretty amazing waterfall and enjoy a 6-star sunset. I'd like to thank Group Island Spirit for this next series of videos. They supplied the boats we are sailing in the flotilla. At this point in our sailing, we are halfway around the world, all the way at Koh Kut, Thailand. It was only a few miles north to a pretty nice waterfall. All right, we are underway. Day 4, is it?
I was actually thinking
Day 4. So we're out sailing today, not going very far, just a couple miles up to go check out some waterfalls. You're excited about that. But we have more crew with us today.
Woo!
We have Jeff and Barbara.
Hello.
They are some Sailing Doodles viewers, and down here for the flotilla, you're normally sailing on the Cat, right?
Yes.
So where are you from? You want to introduce yourself?
We're from Baltimore, Maryland.
Baltimore, Maryland?
Lately we've been living on our own boat.
Cool, and you're doing the Great Loop.
Great Loop. Yeah,
like
Great
down,
American Loop. Yeah.
Down the Mississippi and...
Eventually.
Yeah.
So far East Coast up to Canada and then winter over in New York.
Cool. All right, well, glad to have you aboard. Thanks for coming, guys. The Koh Chang Archipelago and some of the islands around Koh Kut have some of the most beautiful, unpopulated beaches I've ever seen. If you're going to go visit Thailand, that'd be the first place on my list. An interesting note is that all these islands are so small that all the trash has to be put on barges and shipped out. Just up the tidal river is a pretty amazing waterfall, so Laura jumped on her paddleboard and surfed in.
Is this muddy? It's super muddy.
Well, last time I did this, I wasn't wearing shoes, so this is a vast improvement.
This still hurts with shoes.
And I don't think we've introduced him yet. This is Jim. Hey. He lives here in Thailand, sailing with us for the week. It's terrible. I know, right? it's a rough life. You gonna jump?
Well, I was gonna until you scared me and said I was gonna break my leg or my head.
Well, last time I was here, there was people definitely jumping, but the water's down.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh, there you go. He's gonna check it out for you. Water's down a good 4 or 5 feet than it was last time. I think it's fairly deep.
Okay, well.
Okay, I'm just barely touching. Just not at my feet.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Well then.
I'll move out of the way then. I gotta get dumped on.
Incoming.
Incoming.
I mean, how can you not do that? Yeah, that's important. Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't lose it last.
I don't want to like hit my butt on it.
Oh, I'm glad I was away from that.
That's the way.
After some fun at the waterfalls, it was time to head back. It was a short little 4-mile hop north to our anchorage for the evening. Alright, so we're not going too far, just 3.5 miles, so I'm not even gonna bother putting the mainsail up. We'll put the headsail out here in a second. Should be enough wind to go on up there, heading around the corner to there's this like 6-star resort that I'm sure would not actually let us come ashore, but we're gonna anchor off there. We get the same view as they do.
Don't pay the $6.
Yeah, we looked it up. Like the cheap rooms were $1,600, $1,700 a night, which
That's US.
US, which is, I mean, in Thailand, that's really expensive. I mean, it's really expensive for Americans too, but or in US dollars, but for Thailand, that's super expensive. So this boat actually has a self-tacking system. So you can see here the sheets for the Genoa. It's actually it's a jib almost. I don't think it's a Genoa. I don't think it goes past the mast. But anyway, so the sheets here, just one line in the back, goes through a block, another block there, and then up, and then it goes back down and around back into the cockpit, right? And so this thing is on a slider right here. So when you tack, it'll tack itself. It'll just slide over and go to the other side. So you don't have to mess with any sheets or anything coming in the back. It's probably, you know, it's not as good, it's not as fast, right? Because you can't adjust the track forward and back depending on where the wind is. But it's a lot easier system, you know, you don't have to worry about running lines. You just boom, boom. And really you're seeing most of the modern boats, unless it's actually specifically a racing boat, are doing the self-tacking jibs. We were in a treat that evening for an absolutely spectacular sunset. We were also set for a spectacular meal. What do we have here, Right Money?
Okay, so we have ผัดกะเพราหมู pork and omelette ไข่เจียว and we have coconut soup, chicken coconut soup in here. ต้มข่าไก่
You never knew that these folded up.
This is some right.
Cool.
Oh, yeah, they was all right.
There's a
We need to invent smell-o-vision because this is amazing. It smells absolutely amazing in here.